Hi, I'm Michael Sanders. I'm the locomotive manager here at the East Anglian Railway Museum. I've been at the museum since I was 7, so about 1996 time. Come up as a lad and sort of got trained up, and here I am now as a 34-year-old.
Have you always loved railways?
Always railways, yeah, from a small child, yeah. You just get hooked. The variety, so there's all sorts of different rolling stock locomotives, even the station areas, we've got different bits and pieces, the goods shed, the restoration shed, it was nearby, so it was easy to get to at the time. Got a lot of operating days here, obviously, which I crew the locomotives and do all sorts of things with that as well. But the vast majority of the time, it's weekends, weekdays, evenings, early mornings, restoring, maintaining, renewing in some cases. Yeah. Definitely the favourite. That's the N7, yeah, 9621, once it's restored. To me, it was the first one I drove here, so when I started here, one of the drivers here, Nick Proud, put me on a box because I was too short to reach the regulator at the time. That's why, personally. But I think, obviously, regionally, it's so important because it's the last survivor of 134 examples. It was the last engine built at Stratford Works, so it's very, very poignant for that.
What's your best memories of driving the locomotives here?
The N7, again, when it come back in 2011 for our 40th anniversary. I was a new driver. I'd only just passed 3 or 4 months beforehand, and I was given the honour of having the first drive of it back here since, well, anyone, because the last time it was here anyway was 1997 in steam, driving it on the first day. We'd just done a big relaying job up in the North Head Shunt as well, so we was hoping it was going to be all right up there as well. So it was it was an interesting day, but a good one, yeah. Just the sensation of it, really, the steam, the smell, it's the smell, really. You can't beat it. I just like mechanical things, whether it be ships, steam engines, aircraft. So, yeah, you can't easily fly an aircraft, you can't easily own an old steamboat, but you can relatively easily come up here and train to be a driver.